Hi friends, Namaste. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. In this video, we will discuss about pre and post operative care in extraction procedure. That means before getting any tooth removed, there are few things to be taken care of. We will discuss all of this in this video. Let's know first what is extraction. Removal of tooth, that is crown and root portion of the tooth, is called as extraction. A big question arises. What is the need to get tooth removed? Answer is when your tooth is totally damaged and it cannot be saved by any means like tooth filling or RCT, then in that case dentist opt for tooth removal. But in few cases, good and healthy teeth are also removed, like in orthodontic treatment, to create space in your arch, and this helps in alignment of teeth. Now we know why extraction of teeth is done, but before getting tooth removed and after tooth removal is done, there are many things to care about. To start with pre-operative care, that is before extraction, first is if you are suffering from any medical condition and you are under medication, inform your doctor about that. Your doctor can start or stop few medicines before extraction. Remember not to start or stop any medicines without doctor permission. If you are diabetic or any other medical condition is there, it is important to know the reports. It is important to know your sugar level in your body, bleeding and clotting time of your blood before getting the tooth removed. Other tests include blood pressure monitoring and pulse monitor. IOP X-ray or OPG has to be done before extraction to see any kind of infection or fracture. Your dentist will advise you to be on antibiotic and painkiller at least 2 to 3 days before the extraction so that your infection and pain has reduced a bit. Eat properly before extraction. When you have single tooth extraction, which is done under local anesthesia, you can eat. Make sure not to overeat because many people has the tendency to vomit under anesthesia. Bring your family members on extraction day so they can accompany you getting back to home. It is not suggested to drive by yourself because you will be under local anesthesia. Generally, extraction in morning hours are best, so try to fix an appointment in morning hours because first you will have complete day to relax, and second, in case any complication occurs, you will have sufficient time to come to clinic and resolve the issue. During tooth extraction procedure, surgeon will give you anesthesia and remove your teeth with utmost care. After extraction, he or she might place a suture on that area. Surgeon will then place a small cotton or gauze sponges on your extracted teeth site for bleeding to stop. Now let's see what are the post-operative care. This is important because you have to understand and follow each step. In post-operative care, first thing that you have to do is to remove that cotton which is placed on extraction socket slowly after 30 minutes to 45 minutes. Try not to damage the suturing site. Don't rinse your mouth, don't spit, because if you do so, it can lead to dislodging of the blood clot. After removing that cotton, drink something cold like some cold juice or have cold curd or ice cream. Avoid drinking from a straw as this can dislodge the formed blood clot, causing bleeding or dry socket. Start taking your prescribed medication, painkiller and antibiotic after 1 hour of dental procedure with soft food. You will be on soft diet like porridge for 5 days. Whatever you eat, it should be cold for 24 hours. Soft diet minimizes the risk of complications, help reduce swelling and aids the wound healing process. Few times medicine cause gastric pain, so you can take one tablet of antacid in morning before breakfast in empty stomach. After 24 hours, you have to shift to warm foods. Whatever you eat, it should be hot so that blood flow start in that area back again. You are suggested to rinse your mouth with warm water and salt rinse. Take a glass of lukewarm water, add 1 teaspoon of salt and gargle your mouth for 2 minutes. Do this 3 to 4 times daily till the extraction socket has healed properly. Be gentle while rinsing. Brush slowly without disturbing the extraction socket. Make sure not to floss in the area of extracted tooth region. Use mouthwash 2 to 3 times a day. This will help in healing of wound faster. If you wear denture, avoid wearing it for few days. Clean the denture and keep it in water. Don't smoke and chew tobacco. If you do so, cigarette smoke contains chemical toxins that can delay healing and be dangerous to your gums and mouth tissue. If you smoke and expose your healing gums to these toxins, it can result in serious complications including dry socket, inflammation or infection. Restrict your activities on the day of surgery and resume them when you feel comfortable. Keep your head elevated by sleeping in a recliner chair or propped up on a sofa for 72 hours. Sometimes after 2 to 3 days of extraction, you will feel your mouth opening is reduced. Make sure not to stretch too much. Slowly do the mouth exercise, it will give you relief. And slowly your mouth will start opening fully. I have made a separate video on mouth or jaw opening. Please see that, link is in description box. Visit the dentist for a checkup after a week or so for suture removal. Continue the use of antibacterial mouthwash, toothpaste, floss, warm water, saline rinse. After extraction site or socket is healed properly, you can get it replaced by artificial tooth either by fixed prosthesis or removable prosthesis. See your dentist regularly, at least twice a year. They will conduct an oral exam and will be able to detect other problems that can be corrected with mild treatment rather than going for an extraction. Simple home care and lifestyle changes such as improved dental hygiene and quitting smoking can often improve the dental health to much extent. So keep brushing and keep flossing, and do remember, smiles are best when your teeth sparkle. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.